guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials on Mondays and Wednesdays, and on Fridays I do fabulous drag looks because Fridays are a drag. But in today's video, I'm doing a mini haul from one of my favorite indie brands, that is Midas Cosmetics. I got some glitters, and I've got a mini palette of the cake liners, and I've got the one I really wanted, the neon cake liners. We're gonna be doing this look, and I'm gonna tell you what I think. I'll show you the swatches and all the good stuff. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all new videos upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and also go live almost every Monday. So follow me on social media, all the links are down below, as well as my Patreon group. So like, subscribe, comment, it's good for the algorithm. And let's get right into this. So I got introduced to Midas Cosmetics by my friend Teresa Mulhern, and she does releases and rents videos. If you're watching my channel, you probably heard of her, probably seen her, all the good stuff. She knows about all the brands. She can keep everything in her head, unlike me, because for me it's like it goes in one ear, comes out in the other, and the next thing I know, Teresa mentions something and I'm like, huh? Who was that? Yes, I'm bad. My memory is like SHIT. So I got this palette, the pastels from Midas Cosmetics, and that was like months ago, and that was on sale, and I don't remember what I paid for it, something around under $15–16, something like that, for big 8 pans. It's very good, and considering this is like my favorite, see how well used it is. I hit the pan on the white and I hit the pan on the black, and it's very good. So it does not, what the heck is that? I'm so messy. It does not crack at all. I mean, this is like, I've never seen such thing. Like the cake liners, I've tried different brands, but this one does not crack. And you know, considering the skin moves, you know, it's like especially the eye area, the winky, it's all wrinkly, so it does not crack. So this is amazing. So I've been eyeing this one, the neon, for a long time, and I used the opportunity when they went on sale. It was $16 instead of like 20 something, I think. I mean, or 30, I don't remember what was the full price, but for 16 bucks I got myself neons. I'm gonna be doing this look, I'll show you. And I got a bunch of glitters. I got 5 of them. These glitters were 69 cents each, and one of them was $1. I don't remember which one, but yeah, there's like a black, green, blue, and all that. And also this one was just an afterthought. It was $4. So I got this palette. This is the cake liners, but they're shimmery. So I'm like, why not? I'll try this out. So this looks like that. So I'm gonna show you swatches now. Maybe you already saw my arms lifting. So this is the neon, clearly. The yellow is like almost like a lime greenish yellow. It's spectacular. So the next one is the shimmery liners. And I can see why it was $4, because it doesn't swatch that great. It's not all that for some reason. Like the gold and the silver, it's very transparent. I could not get a good swatch on them, but I mean, I could use it. Look, there's Christmas right there. It's coming this season. The red and the green. And of course, that's the glitters. Some of them are real special. They're like almost duochrome iridescent glitters. And they're chunky and they're real pretty. And the black ones are stars. It's hard to swatch that. I put concealer on first so they stick. But there you have it. It's all the swatches. So my favorite palette from Midas, I mean the only palette that I have from Midas, is the Perception, the Basic B. And I have shimmer violets from this palette, inner corner, brow bone. It's all from here. I used Psych. It's like my favorite, the duochrome with pink and green. I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't. But I mean, the whole palette is amazing. I like that it has a black, I like that it has a white. And all the rainbow colors are just perfect. I mean, it's like it has everything you can think about in a rainbow palette. The blend out shades, the brights. I mean, it's like a perfectly created palette. I think she did a real good job picking the colors. So we're gonna be doing this look, and the only thing from this palette I used are the shimmers. And it's gonna be a very graphic sunset. I wanted to create the sunset look. So let's get right into this tutorial. So let's start with the lines. I did this on this eye and I'm very happy with it. To be honest, this is my second go with this palette. First time I just played around and I went with the purple, blue and pink, and I kind of like trying to place them in different angles, and to be honest, I hated the look at the end, so I'm actually refilming this video. Yes, my husband like, why are you refilming? Because I hate the look. So now I'm going to with a beautiful sunset kind of look. So it's very simple. I'm probably gonna do it on a fast forward. We're gonna start with purple, then pink, then orange, and a yellow. And then I'm gonna use the Midas Cosmetics, the Basic B palette, because it's Midas Cosmetics. And I use these two shimmers on the lid when I cut the crease, Psych and Quantum. So kind of like one over the other, so you get like in green, you get a little pink. And I used black eyeliner on the lower lash line, upper lash line. And then the same water, purple, pink, orange, and yellow, but it's like more thin because I mean they have less space here. And on the bottom I went with the ombre effect in different formation because I didn't want to go too low on the bottom blush line. So it's still very dramatic, but I think it's way better. Well, the first look I'm not gonna show you. You're probably gonna see it once in one video, but not more than that. So let me start doing this, and I'm just gonna put you in the fast forward because it's pretty much using tiny brushes and making lines. That's all it is. So this is the finished look. Of course it was all in this speed up fashion because all these lines, they take a lot of not breathing, holding the breath, and holding the brush really steady. And if I do that and talk, that's not gonna end well. I didn't put big lashes on. I think these are like a drugstore lashes. But anyway, I wanted you to see the lines. And as you can see, look, nothing cracked. This, like, it's phenomenal. This brand, Midas Cosmetics cake liners, I've never seen such thing, honestly. Maybe I don't own good liners besides that, but this is ridiculously good. Like, if they had another palette, I would buy another palette because they're so good. You can create anything you want with them and nothing will happen. Just perfect, perfect. So the lips, I just did a little bit of liquid lipstick, like a pale lipstick and eyeshadow on top, because I wanted to go with a sunset look and I don't have lipstick of that color. You know, the eyeshadow on top of lipstick always works, really. It might look a little dry, but you know, for the purpose of the video, it just works. The blush, I use Kimchi Chic blush, and highlight as well, Kimchi Chic highlight palette. Yeah, there we have it. So I highly recommend Midas Cosmetics. I mean, I own 3 cake line palettes, and you know, people keep saying, oh, the cake liners, everybody has cake liners. And it's true, it was like trendy and everybody was making them, but there's cake liners and there's Midas Cosmetics cake liners. And believe me, if I'm saying that they work so well, I'm not just saying, because I definitely don't get paid for this. I bought this with my own money. These are amazing, 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 and very well used. That's my go-to over and over and over, and now I have the brights, so I can do pretty much create anything under the sun with this palette. So I'm very excited. and of course the Perception palette of Midas Cosmetics, and the Painting Bee is amazing. And now I even have this cute glitters. Some of them so special. The green and blue is definitely my favorite. Can't wait to use those as well. So let me know what you guys think. Have you tried Midas? Midas is an American indie brand, and they're not the biggest, but they're very, very special. I really love everything they make. So leave me a comment, like this video. YouTube algorithm likes and comments, obviously. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I also go live almost every Monday. So do ring notification bell so I don't fall at the end of the earth, because without notification bell you won't even know I exist anymore. It's been proven. Anyway, huge thank you to all my patrons. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you for supporting me and my channel. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.